model, 2007 Ford Transit 280 short wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive low-roof van TDCi 85ps body, white, panel van mileage, 160347 MOT, the 25th of February 2024 engine, 2198 cc TDCi 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-E transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Slightly underpowered, needs injector number 4 replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, none, EU status, Euro 4 HPI,